What is climate change? Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns. The main greenhouse gases that are causing climate change include carbon dioxide and methane. Humans are responsible for global warming. The consequences of climate change now include, among others, intense droughts, water scarcity, severe fires, rising sea levels, flooding, melting polar ice, catastrophic storms and declining biodiversity. People are experiencing climate change in diverse ways. In the future, the number of climate refugees is expected to rise. Every increase in global warming matters. The emissions that cause climate change come from every part of the world and affect everyone, but some countries produce much more than others. We face a huge challenge but already know many solutions. Achieving this means huge declines in the use of coal, oil and gas. Over two-thirds of today's proven reserves of fossil fuels need to be kept in the ground by 2050 in order to prevent catastrophic levels of climate change. We can pay the bill now, or pay dearly in the future. One critical step is for industrialized countries to fulfill their commitment to provide $100 billion a year to developing countries so they can adapt and move towards greener economies. Causes and effects. From the Secretary General. Net zero. Renewable energy, powering a safer future. 5 ways to jump-start the renewable energy transition now. Adaptation. Sustainable development goals. Climate issue. What causes climate change? The effects of global climate change. Climate change facts. Climate change solutions. It's worth noting that while climate change and global warming are often used interchangeably, global warming, the recent rise in the global average temperature near the Earth's surface, is just one aspect of climate change. According to NASA, these natural causes are still in play today, but their influence is too small or they occur too slowly to explain the rapid warming seen in recent decades. Learn more about the natural causes of climate change. It's estimated that logging, clear-cutting, fires, and other forms of forest degradation release an average of 8.1 billion metric tons of carbon dioxide per year, accounting for more than 20% of all global CO2 emissions. According to the World Economic Forum's Global Risks Report 2021, the failure to mitigate and adapt to climate change is the most impactful risk facing communities worldwide, ahead of even weapons of mass destruction and water crises. A view of the Seine River flood in Paris near Bir-Hakeim Bridge, which reached a 30-year high in June 2016. As its ice sheets melt into the seas, our oceans are on track to rise by anywhere from 0.95 to 3.61 feet by the end of this century, threatening coastal ecosystems and low-lying areas.